Hello, fellow book lovers. Today, we're diving into a captivating financial read, One Up on Wall Street: How to Use What You Already Know to Make Money in the Market by the legendary Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch, the man who turned a $9,000 investment into a staggering $2 million fund within 13 years, is here to share his secrets. This book takes you through Lynch's insights and strategies for wealth building in today's complex market. Lynch believes that ordinary people can outsmart Wall Street by using their everyday knowledge. He guides you through his tried and tested techniques of identifying undervalued shares and investing for long-term gains. The key takeaway: it's all about being smart, not just rich. If you're ready to learn from one of the greatest investors of our time, this book is your ideal companion. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this review helpful and want more financial knowledge nuggets like this one, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wealth wisdom. Until next time, happy reading.